I wanna send a special shout out. Yes, man. A really hard life shout out, to the elder from Canada. Yeah, man. Elder Patrick. It's a blessed day, man. Give thanks to life, daddy. Go and get up, get about, and do the right thing. Yes, man. One love, one heart. Every time. This is hard, really hard life. Do the right thing.
Simple.
Get up, get about. Do the right thing. You see, if you do the right thing, brother, today it will set you back. If it should. But you see, if it will push you forward, when that push you, brother, I like you there on the front of one of the NASCAR. Yeah. Your foot can't touch ground, you see it rub out.
Simple thing you're blessing, that's talk like that. Simple thing you're blessing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Simple little thing. Big up yourself. No matter where on the island I am at, yes, man. It's my normal routine. It's man normal routine to get up in the morning and go for a walk. Yeah, man. Wow. So just come with magnificent. Whew. This is yard. Really hard life. Yes, man. Up and about another day. Even wow. As usual. It's a blessing. No, boy, catch that. Kevin out there drying the boy. Yes, man. As a Jamaican youth, we not always can buy a fish. Yeah, man. So it's a blessing to get up, get about, help the elders, draw the sea and get 2 fish. Trust me. Blessings. Advice to you all out there. Yes, man. Catch and take only what you can eat. Anything else, please, I'm asking, just put it back. Nature will love you for it. I wanna send a special shout out. Yes, man. Elder Natty. Blessings, daddy. Blessings every time. Yes, man. I can strongly remember my very first time coming to the seaside, out of Kobe. This elder was one of the elders who tell me, say, yo, don't go out in the water, it's dangerous.
Static says it, representing, I don't know, Jamaica yard life for no one.
Jamaica yard life, up and about and giving thanks to life as usual. Yeah, man. Usually try to show yard, isn't it? No place like home. They are with statics. Easy. Man, there you go. We have to rough the youngsters, because when I rough them a guy road to get both, and when you know that.
Yeah, man, they want to get both back, you see
man. So we have to deal with them rough.
Yeah, I have to rough them one time to make them know so them are man. You see me, I say, we have to grow some manly, on a nanny rag grow.
Yeah.
How we sound?
Straight.
Manly youths.
Yeah, man.
How we sound?
It's a blessing.
Yeah.
Rasta say have something positive or pump, you know. Yeah, man, something you know, say, yo. You know where the energy go? Man, you see if we catch you from a different angle. Yeah, man. Rasta say have something to go pump, you know. Yeah, man, something positive. So
it's not something, yeah.
Listen what I go on.
Everybody can relate to the scene. Alright, pretty scene. We'll come and we say, yo. Them say money means war, cause cash is evil. The bigger heads of society are largest people. Skull and bone riches, them selling evil. Satan, demonics are the richest people. You ever stop to think what really happen? Sometimes a dead man missing out a coffin. The British, USA, Germany, and Latin and worship vote God one huggy looking something. Secrets of the pyramid, the all seen eye. Listen to the sound of the birds when them fly. The rituals, the bloods and all the sacrifice. That sound like the sword. Smaddy I go die. Illuminati under disguise. Illuminati in a jacket and ties. Illuminati but the blood sacrifice. Illuminati, yo. Them no praise God, them praise hidden masters, government store owners, and the friggin' pastor, joining Freemason and the spiritual factor. They get cash money then over the banker. Yo, spiritual unity, dwell in iniquity, looks are deceiving. Them too tricky, but them new world order come mash up every city with them guns and bombs. Them not showing a pity. What the biggest drug smuggler? Who are weird God? Who are worship Satan as them Lord and God? Take pay like taxi and a fly go abroad. Some in a helicopter and a fly over the yard. Them in the island spread everywhere. Oh, some man get rich and then they poor yesterday. Sell my soul to the devil. No king that I know me. I still say I'm a praise about nigga gami. Them are Illuminati under disguise. Illuminati in a jacket and ties. Illuminati but them blood sacrifice. Watch on the man.
Yo.
Watch your speech, watch your flex. Mind where you step. Them bushing and them Levi jeans and them crepe. Demonic gathering, gold chain round them neck. Deep down in my heart, Christianity me profess. Them afraid of the church and the holy water. When the pastor preach, them not touch the altar. Respect to the Lord, who the most I Savior. Chant a psalms and praise Jehovah. Who have masters, who have the highest degree, who are sell money like say is a monthly fee, who are dash aisle, who are throw up your panshi, or mongrel a sell soul for ton pedigree. Illuminati, under this guys. Illuminati in a jacket and ties.
Brother, no.
Yes, side.
Too much, bro. Big bad thing. Yeah.
You know
this is hard, you know. Really hard life. And what they are with the rest, you know.
Statics,
as I tell you, great mind. Yeah, man, it's a blessed day. Yes, man. So just take heed to the words from the DJ.
I say, I can remember I look up here, say it. Watch out. Them say milk and honey, they are even well, I even this. Hell, I even they are in a one place. More time me have to sit down to myself and I reminisce. So when they're dead, you go get a one grave, yeah. Milk and honey, they are even well, I even this. Hell, I even they are in a one place. More time me have to sit down to myself and I reminisce. So when you're dead, you go get a one grave, yeah. Reincarnation, me never believe that. Live life to the fullest with all what you got. Cause when your eyes closed, nobody knows what. They'd sneak up fast than your heart attack. How when you drop asleep, life goes on same way. Me know what living is like, but nobody know that stay. Yo, them tell you about heaven and the promised land. Them tell you about hell and Satan. But me never see a joyful dead man. Live life, you know, fuck future plan. Me want full joy the good things in life will exist. Them costly perfumes and the liquors and riches before the breath from a nostril extinguish you immortal from a gain the knowledge. Milk and honey, they are everywhere, I even this. Right, every day in a one place.
Right, that's it there, Rasta. Right, that's it there. It's a blessed day, but give thanks and praises to the Most High. Yeah, man, we grew up under them lyrics here, yeah. In a real life. And far more positive things, you see. But time to come, you're going to know who Statics is. Yeah, man. DJ from Albion, St. Thomas. Most natural. Always I give them trouble, you know energy.
Yeah, I left them with that one out. How me sound?
Sorry.
Ask about it.
Do it.
The styles and flows optimistic. Lyrics them realistic. Some boy them fake like knockoff, some see through them like plastic. My eyes redder than my chronic. Lyrically, yo, what statics, me I come shake up the place like atomic. Yo, me intelligence of delinquents per odd 5 and 10 cents like hospital. Me a patient, they mess deep like under the basement. Comfortable like with the pimp and people. No, me live complacent. Statics are 1 in a million and there is no replacement. Me want super rich like pimping George Bush and all Bill Clinton. Car when me drive, modernize and is a vintage. Me fly out like Morgan Heritage. Do charity shows and benefits. Big up, Albion Grandson, poor man's can. Shabba, see the link. Me well want ton a million here. The youths want food for them belly. Who no here? Me well want have some money and I spend some money here. Tells me I tell you no beware. Cause when food we eat, I me step on the street, I just be a few steppings, footings, me no sleep. Me and the German Shepherd pit bulls have to feed me want money for the youth, so we not skin no teeth. Every morning me out and me rise like the sun. Hustling out to make more funds, cause the youth them want more school, more food, more money in pocket and bread broke down. Stress, smoke, drinks of rum, vex I kill me not calm down, cause the government tell on the weak fence them like said them want to pop them. Me push hard for the paper, hustle sweat like a strainer, cause the youth them want protection and them world for much more safer. So me build up the skyscraper, put in glass and elevator. Like Portmore, me show them said the world is much more greater. Thank the people them for the exposure, for complete like Cara Dover. Me not left us till everything a journey and the show over. Enough mash up me turn over, sweaty pants and nervous feel. I tell you, world, me want piece of that cake, Shabba. Me well want ton a million here. Give them trouble.
Statics. Yeah, man, is a blessed day. We up on a boat now. So I tell you, DJ always a put in the work. Yes, man. Do the right thing. Get up, get about, do the right thing. Remember, walk with the Most High every time.